a maintenance required reset on a 08, 09 Toyota Camry. What you do is you turn the switch on to on, and you will see the maintenance reminder there is on. And you go here to the trip meter. Press it one time until you get and see trip A. Then you press and hold the trip meter. Press and hold it. And then you turn the switch off. Then you turn the switch back on, but while you're still holding it, you will see a countdown right there. All zeros. Maintenance reminder light is off. That's it. Y'all like and subscribe. You know, leave your comments on what vehicle you want me to do next and what you want to see me do. Whatever you need to see, send me an email, send me a message, comment below, and we can get that going. Thanks.